Welcome to the tutorial how to enter NoShows, LDAs, midterm and final grades in Faculty Dashboard, designed especially for faculty at Delaware Technical Community College. On the college portal page, go to the familiar green navigation bar located at the top of your screen. Click on Student Information System. You automatically land on your faculty dashboard. In the faculty dashboard, you see three blocks: student records, student advising, and class maintenance. Under the block Class Maintenance, click on the first item in the list titled NoShows, LDAs, and Midterm Grades. You will notice that a new browser window opens with your midterm grade dashboard. The midterm grade dashboard lists all your courses with information that includes grading status, subject, course, section, title, term, and CRN. In the first column, you will see a grading status indicator of completed, in progress, or not started. Completed indicates that you've completed the midterm grades. In progress indicates that you've started but not completed the midterm grades. In progress changes to a complete status only when you complete the midterm grades. Not started indicates you have not started grading. Not started will also appear for classes in previous terms in Banner 8. Click on a class listed under Subject. Below, the screen displays your class roster with options to enter no-show, LDAs, and midterm grades. In this example, let's enter a no-show or a 0 for student number 1. Then, enter an LDA date for student number 2. And enter a midterm grade for student number 3. When completed, click Save on the bottom right to submit your grades. See the top right corner for a successful notification indicator. The indicator is reassurance that your grade submission has been received. Then click the Refresh button on your browser to see the change in grading status for that class, which is now completed. Now let's move back to the faculty dashboard and click on Final Grade Entry. On the left side of the dashboard, you will see that there are two visual indicators, one for grading status, which we discussed earlier, and one for rolled. The rolled indicator tells us that the grades are or are not rolled to history. When grades are rolled, students can view them in DegreeWorks. Click on a class under Subject to see the class roster with an option to enter the final grades. The final grade screen displays your history of any grading submission for each student. If a no-show, LDA, are rolled, the final grade for those students will be not gradable. In the final grade screen, let's add a final grade for each student and click Save at the bottom right to submit your grades. Note that you receive a successful notification indicator at the top right corner of the screen. Click on the arrow at the top right corner of the screen to see course details, which include eligible students for grading, grades remaining, and the number of graded final. This data tells you that you have or have not completed your class grading. You may want to try a few of the functionality features, which include Export Template, which you access in the wheel at the top right of the screen, arrows in the header to sort the information, or arrows at the bottom of the screen to move to previous or to the next screens. Learn about the many other features in new Banner 9 at go.dtcc.edu/Banner 9. Information on training, online and in person, resources for faculty, advisors, staff, and students are found here. It may be helpful for you to see some of the new Banner 9 versus Banner 8 terms. Take note that the old Faculty Service tab in Self-Service Banner has been replaced by the Faculty Dashboard in the Student Information System, also known as SIS. For technical, registration, advising, or financial aid assistance, please contact the experts at your campus. Congratulations, you now know how to enter no-shows, LDAs, midterm, and final grades in the faculty dashboard at Delaware Technical Community College.